Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and simple. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy to see you here today.
And I'm Liam. Thank you for joining us again. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our helpful lessons.
Today, we have something really exciting for you. We're going to have a full, natural conversation about our day, how it started, what we've done, what we plan to do, and everything in between.
That's right, and as we talk, you're going to learn tons of useful daily English expressions that you can start using right away.
This is not just about listening. We want you to practice speaking with us. So whenever you hear a phrase, repeat it out loud.
Exactly. And we'll give you some questions during the video so you can comment your answers below. This will help you practice even more.
All right, let's get started. Liam, are you ready?
Absolutely. Let's go.
So, Liam, good morning. Tell me, how has your day been so far?
Good morning, Emma. My day has been great so far. I woke up early today around 6 o'clock because I wanted to start the day with some exercise. I went for a jog in the park near my house. The weather was perfect, cool breeze, bright sky, and hardly any people around. It felt amazing to move my body and clear my mind before work.
That sounds like a fantastic way to start the day. I love mornings like that too. For me, I woke up at around 7 and started my day with a big glass of water and some light stretching exercises. After that, I made myself a cup of warm green tea, which really helps me feel fresh and ready for the day.
Green tea sounds like a healthy choice. After my jog, I came home and took a quick shower. Then I had breakfast. I made scrambled eggs with some vegetables and had a slice of whole wheat toast. And of course, I needed a cup of coffee to wake me up completely.
Yum, that sounds delicious. For breakfast, I had oatmeal with strawberries, bananas, and a little honey on top. It's my favorite because it gives me energy for the whole morning.
That's a really healthy start. So, Emma, what did you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I spent about 30 minutes reading. Right now, I'm reading a book called Atomic Habits. It's all about building small habits to improve your life. I really enjoy starting my day with something educational that puts me in a good mood.
That's a great idea. I didn't read this morning, but while jogging, I listened to a podcast about productivity tips. The speaker shared some amazing strategies on how to stay focused throughout the day.
What about you, everyone? How do you usually start your day?
Do you exercise, read, or listen to something interesting? Tell us in the comments below.
So after your breakfast, Liam, what was next?
After breakfast, I checked my emails and planned my work schedule for the day. I always like to make a to-do list so I know exactly what I need to accomplish. It helps me stay organized and not waste time.
That's smart. I do something similar. I use an app on my phone to create my daily tasks. It makes me feel so productive when I check things off the list.
Definitely, and after that, I started working on a project that I've been doing for a client. It's going well, but it needs a lot of focus.
Sounds like a busy morning. Did you take any breaks?
Yes, I took a short break around 11 a.m. I stood up, stretched a little, and drank some water. Taking breaks is so important for staying energized.
I completely agree. I also took a break mid-morning to make myself another cup of tea and relax for a few minutes.
That sounds great, Emma, so let's ask a question to our audiences.
Great, ask them, Liam.
Here is my question. How do you take breaks during your work or study day? Write your answer in the comments and try to use English sentences. So, Emma, what did you have for lunch today?
For lunch, I had a chicken salad with lots of vegetables, carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes. I also added some avocado and a little olive oil. It was so fresh and tasty.
That sounds healthy and delicious. I had grilled salmon with steamed vegetables and some rice. I try to eat light at lunch so I don't feel sleepy afterward.
That's a great idea. After lunch, I like to take a short walk if I can. It helps me feel refreshed and ready for the second half of the day. Do you do that too?
Yes, sometimes I do. Today I didn't go for a walk because I had a video call with a client right after lunch, but usually I like to move around a bit. How about you guys? What do you usually eat for lunch? Tell us your favorite lunch in the comments.
So, what are your plans for the afternoon, Liam?
This afternoon, I'm going to finish my client project and then review some notes for a workshop I'm giving tomorrow. I also want to answer a few messages from friends later in the day.
Sounds productive. For me, I need to record another video for our channel, and after that, I'll spend some time editing. It's a lot of work, but I really enjoy creating content for all of you watching.
So after work, what do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I like to relax a little. I might watch a TV series or read more of my book. Sometimes, I also cook something new for dinner. What about you?
I usually cook dinner too. Tonight, I'm going to make creamy mushroom pasta. I've never tried it before, so I hope it turns out well.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I hope it turns out delicious. So today, we talked about everything from morning routines to evening plans.
And we used so many useful English expressions like, how has your day been so far? What are your plans for the afternoon? That sounds amazing.
Now it's your turn to practice. Comment below and tell us, how was your day today?
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more conversations like this.
Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.